RAM removal. To begin, you would like to get your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 Phillips head screws in the memory bay door. It's easy to tell the difference between the external screws from the internal screws, as all the external screws have polished tips. Once that's complete, lift the RAM bay door up and out to reveal the RAM. You will notice the RAM is held together by 2 locking clips on either side. Simply separate these with your fingers and the RAM should lift free. Just lift out. Continue the same step for the next set of RAM.